Hello, friends. So glad you're here. It's Danny from Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for a Saturday showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I made during that week. This week is from Sunday, February 13th, 2022 through Friday, February 18th, 2022. I went from a Sunday this time instead of Saturday since I did the special video last week showing the Craft and Chemie release. All right, let's get busy. I really don't have that many to show you this week. I don't know about you, but when I go through a really crafty phase like I did with making the release cards and stuff, sometimes I just need a week to just kind of sorry about that. Got tongue twisted there. Recuperate and get my mojo back. So, anyways, this card was for the Hop and Shop for Craft and Chemie on Sunday. And I loved the card, but I'm so sad because I guess I stacked it before it was completely dry with the glossy accents there. And it stuck to another card. And so now it's got this, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look that good either. It's got some blue on it. I tried to use my mono sand eraser to get it off, and that didn't help. But anyways, the special delivery stamp set. I love this stamp set. You might be seeing it a lot. And then, I don't know if you can see it. This is a really hard one. I used the Stickles glitter gel that was in the Craft and Chemie February 2022 add-on bundle and the Mountains of Mail stencil. So it's got letters, envelopes, I think you can maybe see there. And they're all sparkly. It's just definitely a card that is much better in person. And then, like I said, I did have glossy accents on his shell. It got ruined, but I wanted to show it anyways. And then I have the snail on the inside. Next up, I had a short video showing my process for this one. This was for the Craft and Chemie Christmas Challenge on Sunday, and this week it was elves. So I have this elf girl from the Made by Elves stamp set. I did put some stickles on her little decorations there so they're sparkly. And then she's on the inside. Super fun. I forgot to mention that all the blog posts or videos are linked below to each card if you want to know more details about them. On Wednesday, Craft and Chemie had an Instagram hop. I used the Pond Pals stamp set, some fun clouds that I added some texture to. These music brads are also from that February 2022 add-on bundle. He's just so groovy there, sending you a note. And there's the inside. And then I just had this video up on Thursday. Not going to spend a lot of time, but I had those 6 cards using Kendra's card challenge number 5. And I see one of my little sequins came off of that one. I'm going to have to fix that before I put it away. But like I said, those were in that video, so you can take a look at that, linked below. And that is all I have to share with you this week. Like I said, I just kind of took a week to just kind of have fun, like with that card challenge, just kind of recuperate. And now I will be hitting the crafty table a lot because I have quite a few things coming up in the future. I'm already starting to create for next month's Craft and Chemie release. Plus, we have a virtual retreat that I will be teaching a class at the end of March. Lots and lots of crafty things coming up. So exciting. And I guess that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Until my next video.